Can a modern Porsche really last hundreds of thousands of miles? Or are today's models secretly designed to wear out sooner than the legends of the past? Are new Porsche engines built for true longevity, or only to deliver breathtaking performance for a few years? Why do some owners face costly problems at surprisingly low mileage, while others drive their cars for years with almost no major issues at all? Is Porsche reliability actually declining, or are drivers unknowingly damaging their own cars without realizing it? Do modern Porsche vehicles require a completely different mindset compared to older generations? And most importantly, what is the one thing Porsche engineers assume you are doing every time you drive, but most owners never do? Today we are going to answer all of these questions, because the truth about modern Porsche longevity is very different from what most people believe. The idea that newer Porsche models are fragile, overcomplicated, or less durable than older ones is widespread, but it is also deeply misleading. In reality, modern Porsche vehicles are not weaker. They are more advanced, more precise, and more sensitive to how they are used. When treated the way their engineers expect, they can deliver exceptional reliability and long service life. When treated like older cars, they slowly accumulate stress, wear, and damage that often goes unnoticed until expensive problems appear. To understand this, you have to let go of the way people think about longevity. Many owners still believe that durability is mainly about mileage, oil changes, and avoiding aggressive driving. While those factors matter, they are no longer the main deciding elements. In a modern Porsche, longevity is primarily about operating conditions. Temperature control, load management, driving patterns, and software adaptation now play a bigger role than raw mechanical strength alone. These cars are engineered with incredibly tight tolerances, powerful turbocharging systems, advanced transmissions, and complex electronic control units that all work together in real time. When everything stays within its designed operating window, the car ages slowly. When it does not, or accelerates rapidly, even if the mileage seems low. One of the most misunderstood aspects of Porsche longevity is thermal management. Modern Porsche engines are designed to run at very specific temperature ranges, not just for coolant, but for oil, transmission fluid, and even electronics. Short trips, frequent cold starts, and aggressive driving before the car has fully stabilized thermally are some of the most damaging habits an owner can have. The engine may feel smooth and responsive, but internally, oil viscosity, clearances, and turbocharger bearings are not yet operating under ideal conditions. Over time, this repeated stress leaves microscopic damage that slowly builds up. This is why some cars with relatively low mileage develop issues that seem premature, while others with far higher mileage remain healthy. Turbocharged performance is another area where many owners unknowingly shorten the life of their Porsche. Turbo engines are not fragile, but they are demanding. Rapid acceleration on a cold engine, repeated hard shutdowns after spirited driving, and inconsistent driving patterns all affect turbo longevity. Porsche engineers designed these systems to handle extreme conditions, but only when transitions are managed properly. Gradual warm-up, controlled load increases, and allowing temperatures to stabilize before shutdown are not old-fashioned rituals. They are part of how the engine is meant to be used. Ignoring this does not cause immediate failure, but it does increase long-term wear in ways that diagnostic systems often cannot detect early. Another factor that surprises many owners is that gentle driving is not always protective. A Porsche that is driven too softly, too briefly, and too inconsistently can suffer just as much as one that is abused. Engines, transmissions, and exhaust systems are designed to reach and maintain operating temperature. Constant low-load operation can lead to carbon buildup, moisture accumulation in oil, incomplete regeneration cycles, and reduced efficiency of protective systems. Ironically, a Porsche that is driven properly and occasionally exercised under controlled load often remains healthier than one that is driven carefully but incorrectly. Software also plays a major role in modern Porsche longevity, and this is an area many owners underestimate. Modern Porsche vehicles constantly adapt to driving style, temperature, fuel quality, and load conditions. The car learns from how it is used. When driving patterns are inconsistent or repeatedly fall outside optimal ranges, the software compensates, but only within limits. Over time, These compensations can mask developing inefficiencies until they become noticeable problems. Owners sometimes interpret this as sudden failure, when in reality it is the result of years of subtle misuse. Urban driving is another hidden enemy of longevity. Many Porsche owners assume that because they are not pushing the car hard, city use is harmless. In reality, frequent stop-and-go traffic, short trips, and repeated heat cycles without full stabilization are some of the most stressful conditions for modern powertrains. A Porsche driven mostly on longer highway trips at steady load often experiences less cumulative stress than one driven daily for short commutes. Maintenance is also more complex than most people realize. Following the official service schedule is necessary, but it is not always sufficient for maximum longevity. Modern Porsche vehicles rely heavily on fluid condition, not just fluid age. Oil, transmission fluid, and cooling systems all degrade based on use patterns, not mileage alone. Owners who adjust maintenance intervals to match real-world usage often see significantly better long-term results. This is not about over-servicing, but about understanding how the car is actually being used. There is also a critical distinction between driving aggressively and driving destructively. Porsche engineers expect their cars to be driven with enthusiasm. High RPM, strong acceleration, and spirited driving are not harmful when done under the right conditions. What causes damage is loading the engine before it is ready, shocking the drivetrain repeatedly, or ignoring thermal transitions. When driven correctly, even performance-oriented use can be surprisingly gentle on components because everything is operating within its intended design window. This is why you see such dramatic differences between owners. Some reach extremely high mileage with minimal issues, while others encounter repeated problems despite careful ownership. The difference is rarely luck. It is almost always usage patterns. The owners who achieve exceptional longevity tend to warm their cars properly, drive them long enough to fully stabilize, use performance responsibly, and maintain them based on condition rather than habit. They are not necessarily experts, but they intuitively or intentionally align their behavior with how the car was engineered to operate. The most important takeaway is this: modern Porsche vehicles do not fail early because they are poorly built. They fail early because they are misunderstood. These cars assume a level of awareness that many owners never develop. When that assumption is violated repeatedly, the car compensates until it cannot anymore. When it is respected, the same car can remain smooth, responsive, and reliable for an extraordinarily long time. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next episodes we will go even deeper. We will uncover the advanced Porsche technologies that most owners never use correctly, and we will reveal practical tricks, solutions, and common mistakes that can save you thousands of dollars and completely change how your Porsche ages over time. Understanding how these cars really work does not just protect your investment, it transforms the entire ownership experience.